Ako po si Marlene Hirangco, nakatira sa Maricaban, Pasay City. Isa po ako sa napili maging isang benepisyaryo ng Bag of Blessings. Malaki pang pasasalamat po at malaking tulong po to sa aking pamilya na magkaroon ng ganito.
Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Welcome po dito po sa ating distribution ng green bags. Lahat po ay magkakaroon po ng bags, basta po kayo po ay may vouchers.
Every year, we are always excited to join the Bags of Blessing. So it started usually during Chinese New Year. So ngayon nagkaroon na rin during November so that we could commemorate the legacy of Dr. George SKT.
It's a yearly practice na ng Metrobank na being part of giving back toward the community, kung ano yung mga success na nakuha ni Metrobank. This is a good gesture of sharing, giving the love to the community, especially to the people right now na may mga pangangailangan.
Nagising pa ako ng maaga kanina. Para Maricaban po, nilakad ko po. Makarating lang po dito, nilakad ko lang po. Tuwang-tuwa po ako. Lalo pat nakaraan po, nagkaroon tayo ng sunod-sunod na bagyo. Malaking tulong po sa aking pamilya po yung pagkain, bigas. Lahat po talagang kailangan ng pamilya sa ngayon. Marami po kayong natutulungan at nabibigyan po ng blessings na makakatulong po sa kanilang pamilya. Maraming salamat po.
We're blessed to wake up to this kind of an opportunity where we're able to give back to the society that supports our business. It's so fulfilling to be able to be here and to join the community and to be able to share with them all of the love that they have been giving us as a company. And it is really a very precious part of our way of doing business.
Dumating ho ulit tayo sa pagkakataon na magagawa ng GT Foundation ang taunang tradisyon ng pagbibigay ng Bags of Blessing.
Ito pong Bags of Blessing, matagal na po namin ginagawa ito eh. Pang-11 round na po. Ibig sabihin, marami na po tayo na taon-taon binibigyan ng ganitong Bags of Blessing.
Malaking opportunity po to sa akin bilang volunteer na makatulong po sa mga kapwa natin taga-Pasay po.
Fulfilling po yung pag-volunteer ko today and masaya kasi nakakatulong ako.
Even though wala po akong ambag po doon sa pinibigay po sa kanila, pero yung service po, yun na po yung matuturing ko na nabigay ko po sa kanila.
10,000 families po nationwide. From NCR, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao ang makakatanggap po ng green bags.
Ang tinatag ni George SKT ng mga kumpanya, sila po ay naglilikom ng kanilang mga pondo para po sila makatulong sa atin. Kaya lahat po tayo mabe-bless sa araw nito. Palakpakan po natin muli ang Metrobank Foundation and GT Foundation under 15 years.
Very heartwarming to see what Mr. George SKT has done.
So in each of these bags, beyond blessings, we are sharing love with one another. We thank Metrobank Foundation and the many companies who donated their time, talent, treasure to raise funds for the GT Foundation to help the poor here in Pasay.
As a company, we have a responsibility to give back. And that's exactly what we're doing here today. It's also founded on a value of commitment. And we are here and we are committed to the Philippines, to the people, to the society, communities, the barangays, and Filipinos. This is what we represent and what we're so happy to be able to do today with the Bags of Blessings.